Hi guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and the folks over at HMD Global have officially brought the Nokia 6.1 Plus to the Philippines. And by the way, if you're new here, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, ring the bell icon for updates, and go say hello in the comments down below. So the phone's got a 5.8-inch display, Snapdragon 636 chipset, 4GB of RAM, and it runs in stock Android 8.1. It sits somewhere in the mid-range segment, so let's see how it holds up to the rest of the pack. Here's our initial impressions of the device. So holding the Nokia 6.1 Plus for the first time, it already feels like a premium device. It's very well built with a matte metal chassis, sandwiched by 2.5D curved glass, both at the front and back. Up front, we have a 5.8-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1080p, and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It's a really sharp screen as 1080p is a good resolution for 5.8 inches. It has rich colors, good viewing angles thanks to the IPS panel, and it looks good thanks to the thin side bezels. We do get a bit of a chin and of course a notch, but we're glad to see that the notch is quite small and leaves a lot of space for icons and whatnot up top. Here we find the earpiece, 16-megapixel front camera, and sensors. On the right side we have the power and volume buttons. There are metal buttons with chrome chamfers that make for a glossy effect, and they're solid, don't rattle, are clicky but firm. They're also at a good height. On the left side, we have the hybrid SIM tray that can accommodate either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card up to 256GB. Up top, we do get a 3.5mm audio jack, which is good news for you guys out there who like wired listening, because you know, that's still very much a thing. At the bottom are the main microphone, USB Type-C port, thankfully, and the loudspeaker. And finally at the back, we have the dual rear cameras that protrude outwards and are in a vertical position. So this is a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel setup. Also, here is a fingerprint scanner, and again, it's very nice as it's all covered by 2.5D glass. The device is very easy to grip thanks to its narrow frame and matte finish sides. It's very light, but it feels quite solid in the hands. It's also relatively thin and easily slides in and out of the pockets. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is an Android One device, so running the software department is stock Android 8.1 Oreo. For now. It has already been pretty much confirmed that it's gonna get Android P very soon. So if you like stock Android but have a mid-range budget, then the Xiaomi Mi A2 isn't your only option anymore. Powering the device is a Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor, Adreno 509 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. For some initial performance numbers, it got about 117,000 points in Antutu, which isn't terrible for a mid-range phone, but definitely towards the bottom of the barrel. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is priced at 15,990 pesos and will be available in the Philippines starting October 29. With this price, it's quite similar with a lot of mid-range phones, and we can already see that it doesn't perform as well as others. So we'll have to see if its cameras or other aspects makes it a worthy competitor in the segment. Because if not, I'm gonna have to go ahead and just call this phone plain boring. What do you think of the Nokia 6.1 Plus? Where does it fit in the mid-range segment? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, if you like this video, you know where that thumbs up button is. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Kim, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!